Fatih Öner's family have been tomato traders for decades, but business isn't what it used to be. The Öners used to ship tomatoes to Russia. Now he's been forced to sell locally and for less. He's one of thousands of Turks paying the price of Russian sanctions on agriculture and tourism, imposed in 2015 when Turkish forces shot down a Russian warplane.
Our production increased to meet the demand from the Russian market, and then they stopped buying from Turkey after the downing of the jet. It had a huge impact on us. Prices dropped to a fifth of what they used to be.
Relations have improved recently. Russia has lifted most of its sanctions on Turkey, but not the tomato ban. Farmers here have little hope the ban on tomatoes will be lifted soon. Their biggest concern is that as long as Russia and Turkey remain divided over the conflict in Syria, Moscow will continue to use economic sanctions against Ankara to increase its leverage during future negotiations. Mersin is one of the main provinces growing tomato, an industry that could disappear if the ban holds.
We made big investments in tomato. We cannot afford to throw everything away and invest on different products, and it would take at least 5 years to convert to other crops.
Struggling farmers say this year's harvest might rot if they can't find alternative markets. KENAN YASA built this $5 million greenhouse a few years ago when business was booming, and was hoping tomato exports to Russia would help pay for it.
We've been farming tomatoes for 6 years, and this is the only business we are good at. If the ban continues, I won't be able to cover the rising daily costs related to running the farm.
Farmers are waiting for the Turkish government's next move. They are caught in the political crisis between Russia and Turkey, both vying for a bigger say in the Syrian conflict. Ahelbarra, Jazeera, Mersin.